Yeah, hello guys. Very good afternoon to you. Well, today I'll be going down to Merapani to repair my mobiles and all. Well, it's high time the Naga guys, the Naga youths also learn to venture out, explore new trades, be it mobile repairing, radio, TV, whatnot. Because for every little things, we have to rush down to the Naga youths venture out. We are very fortunate enough to have a barber in Bhakti, run by none other than our Naga youths. Like that, guys, our youths need to be humble and take up this any kind of profession which helps to eke out our living, because you know everybody starts from a scratch. Yeah, from rags to riches, nah? So of course there is job preference also, but then I'm sure some of our Naga youths will also take up these professions, because in other countries people become millionaires opening mobile shops and all, no? Into this mobile business and all. Yeah, guys, this is Nagaland, and it's very hard to find our Naga youths engaged in various activities. Yeah, guys, but it's very encouraging also because we can find some of them in different towns, yeah, and villages wherein they explore, they take out this, they take up the humble professions to eke out a living. Yeah, guys, I'll see you in Merapani. Yeah, hello. We are at Merapani. I'm in my friend's mobile shop. Yeah. This is my friend's mobile shop. Halo, Sadi.
Hi.
Tika.
Alas.
Kina mas na?
Muhammad Sweet Sharif.
Iko ha?
Sweet Sharif.
Sweet.
Sharif.
Sharif na. Halo, Sadi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Sadi. It's a very big shop. Yata hikina pona bide apni kan bi. Ami to yate bre pona de ami la mobile to. I used to come here. All my friends street na. Yeah, pona ase ta mobile test kori ase.
Check Korea side.
Check kori ase na. Eto display to ase to na.
Hoy.
Acha. This is in Merapani. Beautiful Merapani town. Hey guys, I'm with my friend's sweets place. He's a very good mobile. We have a lot of mobile parts over here. You can come and avail the facilities over here. He gives guarantee also after repairing the mobile. He's very expert. Sita City.
Check
Yeah guys, thank you.